Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I have a Buddha transformation for offer. So it is, I've tried to keep it similar to how it looks like in Blox Fruits, but I did not copy it or anything, so it looks pretty similar, but it is not a one-to-one copy. So there are pretty similar elements to it, but yeah. So, enjoy. Links in the description of the model. Also, make sure to check out the Discord of this community to just stay in touch with other like-minded people. But also make sure to check out my second channel, guys, if you want more tips on development. So tips which are pretty helpful and which, in my opinion, lack in the minds of, pretty much all of the people who watch tutorials only. Because development is not only about the skills itself, but also about the mindset. And if you want to get to know about the mindset you need in order to be a successful developer, then make sure to check out my second channel, guys. With that being said, see ya.
White boy.